Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. So I have another journal to share with you, and this time I've used some book covers, and my inspiration really this time has come from Nick the Booksmith. She made a pack rat journal a few weeks ago, and so I really wanted to try something similar, so I suppose this is my sort of twist on it. But I really wanted to try something that had a very sort of bendy, squishy type spine on it. So this is very sort of bendy, but the one thing about it is it does lay open and it lays nice and flat. So I took this old book cover. I have a few of these actually, so I'll probably make a few more up. And it has this lovely embossed design on the cover. And this is a book written by Robert Louis Stevenson. And what I've done is I've used a piece of upholstery fabric and I've attached that to the two pieces of book cover. And then it is very strong. It's been reinforced, but it is a soft spine, but it has been reinforced again with fabric and some thin paper on the inside. So also I didn't use a lot of kits in this, but I did use some eco dyed paper from Ephemera's Vintage Garden, so I'll link that down below. And I also used a number and tag kit from Mad Paper Crush, so I will link that as well. And this is one of her lovely number tags here, and I've put another one on the back. The book measures about 6 by 4. So let's go inside. So the inside front and back covers have the original end papers, and there's also, if you can see it, the bookseller's sticker there. And this was originally from W.E. Harrison, and it says bookseller and stationer, Ancient House, Ipswich, which is actually the county next to me in Suffolk. I didn't glue that completely down because I thought if you wanted to have a proper look at it. So I've just reinforced it with some upcycled curtain lining, which has been tea dyed. And I just left that the way it was because I thought it was really good. It looked really nice and really pretty. And obviously the cover's in pretty good condition. But as with all old book covers, you know, you do get a little bit of wear, which adds to the character, I think. So on the first page, I took the title page and another dedication page. So this book is dated 1913, and so I thought that needed to stay with the book because that's part of the book. And then this, it says this was printed by Ballantyne, Hanson and Co. at the Ballantyne Press, Edinburgh. So that is just sewn down onto this first page. It has 5 thin sort of signatures. So we'll just quickly go through it. This is a receipt that I have in my own collection that I've scanned in. And then we have some little pockets. There's several of this type of thing going throughout the book. So I've used another one of the number tags there. And we just have a little from the journal of, so you can write your name and date it there. And everything's been backed either onto tea dyed paper or index cards, or as you know, I've been using up lots of different pieces of paper that I can back things onto. So, and then we have this is actually from Elsie Bell's bookshelf. I've used a few of her things. That was from the Ferns kit. So this is just a label. That's from Nick the Booksmith. Then this is the beautiful eco dyed paper from Ephemera's Vintage Garden. And you also get some nice little tags which I've made into pockets and different things. And that's one of the index cards that comes with the eco dyed paper. And I've printed these out onto a high quality photo mat paper. So I think they really are pretty. I love them. And then I've also been using up lots of little freebie pieces. This is another little envelope that I got as a freebie. I'm not sure, it might have come from the Graphics Fairy. We've got a little card in there. So we've got tea-dyed paper and some tea-dyed scrapbook paper. It has ended up getting quite chunky, but you can remove a lot of the ephemera if you want. So we have another pocket there. And then this is one of the tags that comes with the number and tag kit. And so I've just used a little Tim Holtz photo there with some muslin. This is another one of the number tags. And we've just got a little charm at the top. I've wrapped another number tag around the side and sewn that. So then we have another pocket. This was gifted to me from someone. I'm not sure who now. So we've got another one of the tags that come with the kit. So I've just used one of the die cuts that Michelle sent me, a little piece of washi tape and another number tag there, another one on the back. And this is a ticket that's from one of Tracy Fox's kits. We've got the first page of chapter 1 of the book. I think this was a romance novel, I think. This is a German book page. This is a diary page from 1982. We have another one of the eco-dyed papers. So you get some little tags and like things like this that you can fold into little booklets. And this will be listed in my Etsy shop if you'd like to take a look. Pocket here. This is a little piece of a letter that's left over. I bought these letters when I went to Florence and I went to an Italian antique market. So I just put that in because I thought it's on a parchment paper and this is from the 1800s. It did have a wax seal there. And I put this in because I thought you could tear that up and put it and use it for collaging. Then here we have some pizza pan tea-dyed paper, and this has the lines on one side and the graph paper on the other side. This is some more of the eco-dyed paper. So what I like about this eco-dyed paper, that Debbie Ann put some little bits of papers like receipts and things like that onto the eco-dyeing. So we have another tag here. I put a butterfly, another number and a little noted charm. And I will include an envelope with a few of these number tags so that you can add some more into your book, into the journal if you like. This is some textured paper which is great for mixed media or collage. We have a long envelope. I took a long envelope which I cut the top and the bottom off of it and then sewed it into the signature, into the middle of the signature. And then I re-glued that and folded the bottom piece up. And then we have another eco-dyed card there. And this made a little pocket here. And I left this flap open, so there's another tag there. Have another pocket, it's a little piece of paper, leftover sort of scrapbook paper. That's another tag that I've done a bit of the tissue paper and a butterfly. Some more of the pizza pan paper. This is from the Observer Book of Birds. This is another thinner piece of handmade paper. This is from got an old vintage playing card there. This is from a wine book, How to Make Wine. And this is a big flip out page that you can write on. I have another little envelope here, and I'll put some number tags in that, and another piece of the eco dyed card. And then we have the lovely end papers at the back. So there we go. So I hope you enjoyed that, and hope everyone is staying safe and well, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Bye.